comes here, the sieves traps the carbon molecules. That's why it is called CMS. There are different kinds of sieves are available in the market at different grades also. So once it takes about, to reach the saturation point, it takes about 150 to 180 seconds. Once it reaches the saturation point, that means there is no more carbon molecules are to be trapped. The methane gas is allowed to escape from the top wall. There are solenoid valves which is arranged. I will tell about the solenoid valves operation later. So once methane is allowed to escape from the top wall, it comes to the buffer tank. It is getting collected here. From the buffer tank, it comes to high pressure compressor. Pre-pressure compressor, it compresses up to 7 kgs because this operation requires between 5 to 8 kgs of pressure. So that's why we have introduced pre-compressor. Once it comes out the methane extraction plant, the pure methane is collected in the buffer tank and then goes to high pressure compressor. This compresses it from 5 kg to 150 or 170 kg per centimeter square. Very high pressure. So here safety is very important. So it is getting collected here. You can see this. This is the 33 liters capacity, volume 33 liters capacity. It can store the methane gas of 14 kgs. 14 kgs means it is equal to 14 cubic meters. 14 cubic meters of gas. That means LPG is 1 and methane volume is 14. So 1:14. So that much of gas is compressed and put in here. So currently we have filled up this cylinder. I'll show how. So how do you make use of it? Because it's high pressure. It's very dangerous to use. Even as per the norms, 7.5 kg pressure of gas has got a very high standard safety to use it. But 10 times of 50, 20 times of pressure. So we got a pressure reduction valve. You can see there. There is a valve which is put out there. That valve will convert 170 kg, 175 kgs into 2 or 3 kgs. You can set the pressure there. From there you can make use of gas for any other purpose. This is the basic operation. You can see here. Once it comes through there are solenoid valves, various solenoid valves. Valves are programmed in such a way that the sequential, one sequence happens in one cycle. Similarly, other tank will be free. So by the time this completes, other tank should get filled with raw gas and ready for filtration. So that is why it is called pressure swing absorption. So with the pressure, variation of pressure, automatically the filtration happens. That is what it is shown here. So it is all custom made. So we have used very simple component. Very simple. Actually, if you go to market, it costs about 1.5 to 2 lakhs. You need to have PLC. You need to have different kinds of micro switches. So we have just used small Arduino board, which is 300 rupees, and then the relay board is about 900 rupees. Rest are the electrical component. This is program and we'll have power supply. So very simple technique. The overall panel costs about 35 to 40,000. Whereas if you go to market and ask, they will charge you about 1.75 to 2 lakhs rupees. So that's where your contribution to the society comes. This is just basic things which we have made to demonstrate how the future generation should know the demand of the society and use the technology available and make something, give back something to the society. So as far as the cost is concerned, see, per day, if we have 35 to say about 50 cattle you have. Per day you can extract 2 cylinders.